This tutorial will show you how to insert internal and external links into your website. First of all, you should be editing a piece of content, a page or a block on your website. Put your cursor near where you want the link to appear. And we're going to grab that link from another browser window. We're going to minimize our work area and then go to our browser. And I've already opened up the Library of Congress. I'm going to copy that link out. You could be copying a link from a Google Doc or a form or any of those external outside of your school website or office website. Let's go back to the work area. It should be minimized on your ribbon or down here at the toolbar. Click on that, and we're just going to paste it right in by doing a Control V or Open Apple V into your Command V into your work area. And you can see it pasted in the link. However, it has like the raw HTML link HTTPS stuff. We're going to change that to make it more friendly for screen readers. Screen readers, those people who use them, have vision disability, and they need to see this in natural language, not this HTTPS, but actually what this really goes to. So let's go ahead and click on that link and click you can either right click, set link properties, or go back to that little link manager. And you should see this link manager properties. And you see the URL we pasted in, leave that alone. Let's change the link text, which is a couple fields down below. And we're just going to label Library of Congress. And there we go. We're going to click OK. And there we have just changed the link to say Library of Congress. Do not just use the word here or click here to be your link. Remember, people on a touch screen will have large fingers and the text will be very tiny. So please make your links longer and make sure they're descriptive of where that link is going, because click here or here does not describe what that link is. Just highlight the whole sentence and do it that way if you need to. You can also have something already written on the page first. If I had a Washington Post, I can go ahead and highlight that and first. So you can have like stuff already written, and then click on the hyperlink manager and paste in my URL in that URL section. Make sure you delete the http:// first, or else it will double it and you will have a problem with the URL. And click OK, and that made the link. It can be any external link. You can actually search on our website for a page. Like I searched for academics here. If I want to link to this page and put it on my site, I just copy the URL for our website and go back here, and I can paste it just in, or I can just type it first, academics, and highlight that text. Click the hyperlink manager, paste in the URL, and then click OK. Those are all for links that are outside of your website. Now, say, for instance, you upload a PDF or you create a new page, like for counseling or students or parents inside your school website, and you want to link it onto a quick link section or another page on your site. Well, you don't know what that URL is because it's not linked anywhere. You can't find it in search or anything. So we're going to go and grab that URL from what we call a quick link. So again, we're just going to click on that same icon, the hyperlink manager. And now, instead of pasting in something here, we're actually going to go to this little button here. That's, you roll over, it says open, but actually it's an ellipsis. It's like a more button. And you click on that and it opens up this other window that has links to your content inside your school or office website. So you can go through these folders wherever you stored it. You can just click on the folder it was stored in from the very beginning, and you find your PDF or your web page. And here's one I did. It's a PDF I called bid. I just double click that. And now it inserts the URL, which looks like that, and a link text. You can always change link text if you want to. Otherwise, you click OK. And that has inserted an internal link. I'll do that one more time. Click the hyperlink manager, click on the ellipsis button, find your page inside your folder or content you have actually done, created already, and just double click that. It inserts a link, inserts a text, and then you just click OK. And now you have a link to that content. And that's all there is to it.